contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from wherever he wants, Hardcore Kid Alex G.
Wow! Listen to that reaction!
And approaching the ring from Pensacola, Florida, weighing 265 pounds, Roman Reigns.
Listen to this WWE Universe! They've been waiting all night to see their favorite superstar.
How dangerous is a Falls Count Anywhere match, King?
Oh, geez, extremely dangerous. But here's the thing. These superstars have to sign a contract to compete in a match. They know what they're getting themselves into. Oh, no, that slam didn't look pretty. An impressive combination of kicks. Good God, is he pressing a secret button to move that fast? I mean, those kicks won't give you a good feeling. I can promise you that. Oh, my gosh. What some fans may not know is that before coming to WWE, Roman Reigns was one of the most feared defensive tackles in the United States when he played NCAA football at Georgia Tech. Reigns also played in the NFL for the Minnesota Vikings and the Jacksonville Jaguars. Boy, there's no way he's going to be able to stand after that. And he hits him with an impressive combination of kicks.
Nice dodge there. And he dodges that one.
Bad news for Roman Reigns. Oh, gosh. Careful, careful. Believe that. You know, Michael, another part of Roman Reigns' personal life is that he is the son of WWE Hall of Famer Wild Samoan Sika. So success is in his blood. Good night.
Submission locked in tight. This could do it.
There's no escaping this.
And he breaks the hold. I guess he wants to try something else.
I don't know what more you'd want to do to another man. Whoa, that's it. He's out.
Uh-oh, trying to put him away.
Roman Reigns with a reversal. Well, you know, speed and power is a dangerous combination, Cole. Ooh, that did it. Ooh, countered by the Maniac. Wow, I don't know if this arena can take another impact like that. And there's the reversal. Bam! was able to reverse that. Oh.
Woo, a little showboating going on here.
Oh, man! Look out. Oh, ow! This heads up. What? Does he have his eyes open? Wow! He's still not through.
The damage heads in. He's done. And after that, they wisely retreat from the ring.
Remember, there are no countouts in this contest. This match could end up anywhere. What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here? Oh, mama! Just look at this. You can see the results from that move. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now. Uh-oh, look at this. Oh! Trying to put him away.
What a move.
What's he going to find? Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
Oh, and did you hear the impact? And again, he gets struck with that object.
And I think it's obvious that he'll stop at nothing to win here tonight.
Oh, no. Roman Reigns is in deep trouble. I mean, real deep.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, Roman Reigns unable to be contained. Oh, my gosh. The steps were right there. Oh, there it is. Oh, my gosh.
Lateral and a kick out. Over the last 10 years, SmackDown has excited the WWE Universe with some of the most memorable moments in television history. And we're witnessing more amazing moments here tonight.
Roman Reigns showing signs of life.
He's going for the pin.
And he gets the shoulder up. No disqualification match. Again, these men can do anything they want to each other. Look at that, and he breaks the cover. Once again, this is a no disqualification match. Chairs, tables, the ropes, everything is legal in this contest.
Dropped, and that was a hard shot. Great counter. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that...
And will this be it?
This reversal there. Roman Reigns is all business here.
His shoulders are down.
Oh, man, I thought he had him. Every time he has to get up, it takes more and more effort. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Look out. Oh, man, off the steel steps.
Oh, not again. Not again.
Whoa.
He's measuring. How awesome was that? Doing whatever it takes to win.
Let me remind everybody, there are no countouts. These competitors can stay out here as long as they like. These no DQ matches are so dangerous. Talk about catching a beating.
Can he score the pin? And that was only a one.
A fever pitch is here in the WWE Universe. Ooh. Roman Reigns gets rocked. The ebb and flow of this match is just incredible. What's he think he's going to do with that? That cane's an effective weapon.
This action has gotten completely out of control. Good Lord, he's just hell-bent on maiming his opponent.
Ouch! Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. Oh, oh my gosh! There's that kendo stick again. Oh my, get the medics down here.
I don't think there's any lengths that these superstars won't go to achieve victory here tonight.
Somehow, someway, he figured out he's going to be bruised from head to toe before this one's over.
Look at this. He's caning the hell out of his opponent.
Hey, the Maniac got it. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal.
Oh, man, is he fired up. Playing mind games.
Yeah, a little intimidation there. Back into the ring now. Hey, wait a minute, what's he doing here?
Oh, Roman Reigns unable to be contained.
He could pin his opponent right here.
No, he kicks out at two.
Roman Reigns gathering attention in a hurry.
Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here. We know what this is.
Oh, you do not get up from that. Here we see it one more time.
Bad news for Roman Reigns. Oh, look at this. He's hurt. He's hurt bad. Uh-oh.
Trying to put him away.
What did this Maniac just do?
He's begging for it.
Look at this. Could it be?
That's it. He's out.
Wow, that is just dangerous.
Oh, no. Roman Reigns is in deep trouble. I mean, real deep.
And he's in a tough predicament.
Oh, man, does that look painful?
This is serious gut check time. I don't believe the destruction we're seeing.
This guy's just going from one painful move to another.
And he's heading back in.
Ooh, and he got dropped.
There's the cover. Can he do it?
Oof, man. What's this? Hey, he's going for it again. The Maniac got it.
it from this angle. He thinks he has it. 2, 3, and that's the match.
Let's go to the highlights here. Well, let's take a look at some of what a spectacular match. And here are just a few of the great highlights. WWE competitors tore this arena apart. Let's take a look back on some of the incredible highlights.
Here is your winner, Hardcore Kid Alex G.
Absolutely amazing.
We knew he felt he had to win this one tonight.
I mean, there's absolutely no way to underscore how big this victory is. Perhaps the biggest in his life.